Good evening, students. Wish a happy new year advancedly. Today I am going to teach you about vector calculus, one very important topic. See you. Number one, gradient of scalar point function. Second one, divergence of vector point function. Third one, curl of vector point function. Fourth one, Laplacian operator. Right? So first I will teach you gradient of scalar point function, right? Fine. Okay. First I will teach gradient of scalar point function. Okay. First I will tell you what is a scalar point function. Okay. A function defined by scalars, then it is said to be a what? Scalar point function, right? Fine. See. If f is a scalar point function, then the gradient of scalar point function is denoted by, see here, denoted by nabla f, where nabla f is equal to, nabla means the position vector of nabla. This is a what? Nabla. Okay. I dou by dou x, j dou by dou y, k dou by dou z into what? F. Right. This is equal to what you are writing? I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Have you understood? So this is nothing but what? Gradient of scalar point function. Understood or not? Okay, fine. Now I will teach you divergence of a vector point function. What is that? Divergence of a vector point function. See here. Divergence of vector point function. Okay. First I will tell you what is a vector point function. If a function defined by what? Vectors, then it is said to be a what? Vector point function. Scalar point function means? Right? Vector point function means a function defined by vectors. Understand or not? Okay. Now this divergence depends on the what? Vector point function. If I am putting arrow mark is the what? Vector point function, right? If f vector is a vector point function, then the divergence of vector point function is denoted by nabla dot f. What is that? Nabla dot f, where Nabla dot f vector. F vector. Vector is there now? Right. Where Nabla dot f vector is equal to, what is the position vector of Nabla? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Is it or not? And what is the position vector of the vector point function f? f1i. याद है ना? कल बोला था मैंने. Plus f2j plus f3k. Okay. Dot product. याद है ना dot product? Similar vector you are getting 1. Right or not? So what you are getting? I dot I 1. So remaining balance dou f1 by dou x. Understand or not? That's what I told. Plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Remaining all will be zeros. Why? Since I dot I is equal to j dot j is equal to k dot k is equal to 1. And I dot j is equal to j dot I is equal to 0. And j dot k is equal to k dot j is equal to 0. I dot k is equal to k dot I is equal to, what is that? 0. Have you understood or not? Out of 9 parts, we are getting only 3 parts. Understood or not? Fine. This is the what? Divergence of vector point function. Understand or not? Okay. Next I will teach you curl of a vector point function. Right? Curl of vector point function. Okay, fine. See here. If f vector is a vector point function, then curl of f vector is denoted by, remember this is the what? Nabla cross f vector. Nabla cross f vector. Divergence is the what? Dot. Right or not? Okay, fine. Where Nabla cross f vector is equal to, how you are writing the position vector of this one? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Cross f vector, what is the position vector? f1i, f2j plus f3k. This is we are writing in the which form? Determinant form. Okay. I, j, k common in both the cases. So we are writing I, j, k. Understand? Here remaining balance dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. There f1, f2, f3. Okay. By applying determinant formula, we are getting the result of the which one? Nabla cross f vector. Understand or not? Okay. Right. Okay. The next I will tell you about Laplacian operator. What is the next one? Laplacian operator. Understand or not? Okay. It is denoted by Nabla square, where Nabla square is equal to, what is that? Remember Nabla dot Nabla. Nabla is equal to how much? I dou by dou x J dou by dou y plus K dou by dou z. Understand or not? Dot again I dou by dou x, J dou by dou y plus K dou by dou z. Understand or not? This is equal to the dot I dot I 1. So you are getting dou by dou x into dou by dou x by dou x square. Dou square by dou x square. Next, dou by dou y, dou by dou y. Dou square by dou y square. Are you getting or not? Plus dou square by what you are getting? Dou z square. This is the value of the what? Laplacian operator. Understand or not? Write down. Now I will give an example for the gradient of a scalar point function. What is that? Scalar point function. See here. Example. Find the grade phi. Grade phi means gradient of phi. Right or not? Find the grade phi where phi is equal to e power under root x square plus y square plus z square. Have you understand what is given? E phi is equal to e power under root what? X square plus y square plus z square. I is not there. Therefore, it is a what? Scalar point function. Right or not? Phi is a scalar point function. So, gradient is totally depends on the which one? Scalar point function. Right? Fine. See. Solution. Given phi is equal to how much? E power under root x square plus y square plus what? Z square. Okay. The gradient of phi is denoted by what? Grade phi or what? Nabla phi. Have I told or not? Fine. So nabla phi is equal to what is the value I told? I dou phi by dou x. Have I told? When nabla f is written, what you have written that? I dou f by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y. Are you getting my point or not? K dou phi by dou z. Have you understand? Fine. I into. We are finding the derivative, partial derivative of phi with respect to what? Xl. Okay. You think in your mind this total is the what? Xl. Okay. So what is the derivative of e power root x? Is nothing but e power root x means I am writing that only. Understand or not? X square plus z square. Again derivative of inner side. This one. What? We thought that this total is the what? X. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. What is that? 1 by 2 root x. Root x means x square plus y square plus z square. Understand or not? Again derivative of inner side. This one. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. What is that? 2x plus derivative of y 0 and derivative of z 0. This is over. Understand or not? Similarly for the what? J into for dou phi by dou y with respect to y. What you are writing? E power under root x square plus y square plus z square into 1 by, are you getting my point or not? Under root x square plus y square plus z square, and this what you are getting? 0 here with respect to what? Y. With respect to y. What is the derivative of y square? 2 2y. What is the derivative of z square? 0. Have you understand? Right. Plus k into, tell me, set with respect to what? Z. With respect to z. What we are getting? E power under root x square z square 1 by 2 into under root x square plus y square plus z square into 0, 0, 2z. Have you understand? Okay, fine. So next what we are getting? Right. Okay, see here. See here, 2 get cancelled, right? Here also 2 get cancelled. Here also 2 get cancelled. So remember, what is the common factor here? E power under root x square plus y square plus z square. So I am writing that, and under root of x square plus y square plus z square is the common in 3 cases, right or not? So this is equal to, tell me, e power under root x square plus y square plus z square by under root x square plus y square plus z square, and remaining balance, what are those? xi plus yj, are you getting or not? Plus zk. Have you understood or not? This is the value of the which one? Grade phi or nabla phi. Have you understood or not? So this is your answer, right?